Hello everyone. Welcome you all in our next in this video. Today in this video we are going to talk about ChatGPT, like how we can use the ChatGPT platform for creating customized proposal for our work. Like if you are a freelancer and you are a beginner and don't know how to send business proposal on bid on any of the proposal, so in this video we are going to talk about how we can use ChatGPT for writing proposal for any kind of job that you are looking for. So right now we are at the website of the Upwork. As you can see that there are lots of job posts here. You can see multiple here. So you just need to do just simply copy this text, okay, of that post and copy and go to ChatGPT, okay, and you can mention, like you can share this or paste this job description into the ChatGPT section. Okay, let me copy it again. So we have copied this job description. Now we will go to the ChatGPT, and here we will give a command like write me a professional sales generating or order grabbing business proposal for this subject. So we are going to paste our subject here, okay, and after that you just hit the enter button and it will start working on it. There are some Google Docs link as well in this job description. Let's see if it process it. Let's check and let's go for it. And now it will write us a or give us a customized uh, proposal that we can use it, and then we can apply it on that proposal, and there will be more chances of grabbing that offer because it will write a compelling sales generating proposal for your for the proposal. Like you can see that it has generated. You can just copy this and put that here in this, like you can connect with this person and eventually you will be hired. So that's how basically you can use ChatGPT for writing compelling sales generating proposal for the bids. So I hope you like the video and understand the whole concept about it. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.